A couple of people have asked me how I make this circle crop in my tutorial videos. If you are a content creator, it is very important to know how to do this, whether you are into tutorial videos or reaction videos or any kind of video for that matter. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to do it on your laptop and also on your mobile phone. It's almost the same method. Let's just go right into it. So if you're using your mobile phone, the first step you're going to take is to import your video, your main video. Now you're going to bring in the video you want to put in this little circle. Click on overlay and click on add overlay, just like this. So add your video and it's going to be on your screen just like this. So the next thing you need to do is go to mask and click on mask and select this circle in your mask. And we have our little circle. Try as much as possible to position it to where you really want it to be. So for me, I want it to be on this particular side. And there we go. It is as simple as that. It is all good. It is all done. If you're using a computer, go to your video editing software. For me, I'm using CapCut, so I'll be opening my CapCut app. So the first step you're going to take is to import your main video. After importing your main video, import the video that you want to be on top of the old video. So after doing that, you are going to pinch it to fit where you want it to be, and it's still not going to give you that anyway. So click on mask to achieve the little circle and select the circle, and there we go. We have our overlay on top of another video, and you can always position it anywhere you want it to be. So that will be all, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and until next time, have a great day.